Start by lifting a corner of the weather stripping and working slowly along the jamb to separate it from the frame. Use a putty knife or a thin flat scraper to get under the adhesive edge and pry the weather stripping up a little at a time rather than forcing a long pull that can tear paint or wood. If the adhesive is very old, warm it gently with a hairdryer, set to medium heat for 30 to 60 seconds to soften glue so the strip comes away cleanly. Keep the dryer moving and do not overheat painted surfaces. For short sections that resist, switch to a small pry bar with a rag wrapped around the tool tip to protect the paint and wood. Insert the bar under the edge and lever slowly, moving a few inches at a time. Avoid using razor blades on painted jambs because a slip will gouge wood and ruin finish. If you must cut caulk or stubborn adhesive, score lightly along the edge with a utility knife blade held shallow and steady, and replace the blade frequently so each cut is controlled. After removal, scrape residual adhesive with a plastic putty scraper and clean remaining residue with mineral spirits applied to a rag. So you do not saturate the wood, test solvents in an inconspicuous spot first. Inspect the jamb for splinters, loose paint, or hidden fasteners, and sand or straighten those areas before installing new weather stripping to ensure a tight, even seal. 3 common mistakes are pulling the strip in one violent motion, which strips paint and may tear wood, using a sharp blade across painted edges, which creates gouges, and prying without protection, which dents or chips the jamb. If someone pulls hard, stop and work back toward the loosened corner with a putty knife to release adhesive gradually. If a blade seems necessary, make shallow, controlled scores and keep the blade angle low so it skims the surface rather than digging in. If prying looks like it will mar the finish, slip a folded cloth or thin shim between tool and jamb before levering and spread force over a wider area. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share real job experiences and practical tips. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase projects and answer homeowner questions, and we help homeowners compare options and learn how to manage repairs safely.